Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Friday, end of the week, last trading day of the week as well. Did a few day trades. Total profit is around $300, right? Roughly covered yesterday loss. So all in, maybe plus the two swing trades that I took losses this week, right? Everything in by the end of this week, I'm down maybe just $100. But based on my day trades alone, I could be up by just this week. I could be up by about $300 to $400, which is good, right? Hopefully next week onwards. I did one swing trade as well today, and it's on Google, right? So you want to know what price I went in, then jump in, continue watching this video, right? Okay, I'm going to jump in and show it to you. Like I said, $300-400 a day, spending 1-2 hours is pretty okay, right? Okay, especially this is a smaller account of mine. Hopefully next week my day trades also another $300-400, which people might think that it might be small amount, right? But it's not. Why I say this? Because it's based on the account size, right? Maybe we jump in right now and I explain further to you. So you can see on my screen, right? I traded on ADI, FTNT, swing trade on Google now is already $61 in profit, which is fantastic. And I traded Dow Jones index futures, the micro E-mini, right? And also traded on SRE, right? Okay. Total profits realized is 300 today, right? Okay. So roughly covered yesterday's loss. Like I say again, based on day trades alone this week from Monday to Friday, right? I overall have a profit, but because of two swing trade losses that I took this week, I'm roughly down by $100. So just based on my day trades, Monday to Friday, right? Overall, excluding the swing trades, right? Overall, I'm actually in a profit of about 300 plus a bit, right? Thereabout. Consider good, right? It's roughly 1% of my account, right? If you make 1% on your account per week, that is multiplied by 50 weeks in a year, right? That will be 50%, right? Okay. So don't think that 1% is too small. No, right? Just spending 1-2 hours a day trading, you could easily 1 year have a 50% return, right? Okay. Hopefully I can repeat this performance next week. Considering this week I'm not doing so well as well, right? And I still clock around overall profit on my day trades, which is still considered slightly above average or just average performance. Like I say, Monday and Wednesday when I have my live session with my full-time traders. Monday and I think Thursday yesterday, right? When I have my live session with my full-time traders, we actually lost. Could have done better lah. So I would say average performance. Definitely in a good performance, my profits might overall for 1 week, right, might be much higher, right? Okay. So let's take a look at the trades that we did. ADI, FTNT, talk about the swing trade that I have here as well, right? Over here, SRE, right? Based on SRE, right, I traded here, right, at the trigger, which is not so good price. So after that, it came back down to around 70.30. I went back in with another small size. So after that, it shoot all the way up. But I got out early, right? I got out early, which is not so good, right? I could have got even better profits from this one, right? Okay. I got out around 70.70, right? Could have got so much more profits, definitely. Maybe even $50 to $100 more profit. ADI is very wasted, right? I wanted to short it down and it did come down. But you see this two green bar when you move up, I actually close it early, right? Okay, if I didn't close it early and just let it run, right, you wouldn't have hit my stop loss anyway, right? My stop loss is on the upper line here, right, I would have made easily $100 to $200, right? Okay, because I went in somewhere here. Okay, so the risk to reward is really very good. At one point, right, when it was pricing here, right, I was already making like $80, right? $80 plus dollars, $90. So I suspect if it came here and I took the profits, right, that would be maybe 160, right? Okay. Yeah, a bit wasted, right? If not, I would have maybe even clocked in $400 to $500 of profit today, just today. Yeah, FTNT is to sell it down, right? Okay, I saw it somewhere here, right? Didn't move much for quite some time, about 30 minutes. Then after that, it came down, right? Oh, sorry, I sold here, right? Then after that, it went back up till here. I went in a small size again. My stop loss is on the upper line here. So after that, it came down, and I took profit, right? I took profit around at 7230, right? Could have got even better profit, slightly better lah, right? Of course, now it's back up. I would say considering that it's moving here this way, right? When I got out, it was actually a good decision, right? Okay, I got out at 72.30. So roughly, yeah, pretty good decision. You never get the low, right? Okay, so near the low, consider good enough. I traded on Dow Jones also. I saw the trigger to sell it down, right? So I sold it down, came all the way down, and I make the profit, right? Okay. Yeah. So overall, $300 of profit, roughly very close to 1%, and also cover yesterday's loss as well, which is fantastic, right? So overall, like I say, plus the two losing swing trades, I'm only down by $100 just for this week, which is not a bad result, not a very good result, because every week you want to end the week with a profit, but excluding the swing trades, like I say, I'm actually profitable, right? Just on the day trades from Monday to Friday. So next week, if I can reproduce these results and even better, right? Clocking 1% per week, right? Like I say again, don't think that 1% per week is very small, because if you can consistently do it, right, one whole year, 50 weeks, that is 50%, right? Okay, so looking forward to sharing more with you next week, right? Maybe you can even see some swing trades that I have, right? Okay, so have a great weekend ahead, and I hope that this week has been great for you as well. Wish you all the best, and may the profits always be with you. See you next week.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.